Sometimes the most impressive dishes come from the simplest ingredients. Today, we're making a recipe that will surprise everyone. A golden, crispy, and delicious dish made from just 2 eggs and potatoes. It's quick, budget-friendly, and tastes like something straight out of a restaurant. With just a few steps, you'll turn these everyday ingredients into a mouth-watering masterpiece that your family and friends will love instantly. Let's get started with the ingredients and preparation. Here's what you'll need. 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions or parsley salt. To taste, black pepper to taste, 1 part 2 teaspoon of chili flakes, optional. A pinch of oregano or herbs, 2 tablespoons of oil or butter for frying. Start by peeling your potatoes. Then, using a grater, grate them finely into a bowl. Once grated, use your hands or a clean cloth to squeeze out the excess water. This helps make the dish crispy and light. Now crack 2 eggs into the same bowl. Add salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs or chili flakes. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of flour. This will help bind everything together perfectly. Mix gently with a spoon until you get a smooth, slightly thick mixture. And there you go, the magic batter is ready. Simple but full of flavor. Now let's cook this delicious creation. Heat a non-stick frying pan on medium flame and add a little oil or butter. Once the oil is warm, pour a spoonful of your potato-egg mixture into the pan. Spread it gently with a spoon into a round, flat shape, just like a pancake. Cook it on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes until the edges turn golden brown. Then, carefully flip it using a spatula. Hear that? That's the sound of perfection. Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side until fully golden and cooked through. As it cooks, your kitchen will fill with a comforting aroma. The smell of fried potatoes mixed with eggs and herbs. Simple ingredients, transforming into something beautiful. Repeat the process with the remaining mixture. You'll get 3 to 4 perfectly cooked potato egg patties. Now it's time to serve! Place your golden potato egg pancakes on a serving plate. You'll notice the crispy edges, the light golden color, and the soft, fluffy inside. Sprinkle some chopped parsley or spring onions on top for a fresh green touch. Add a drizzle of ketchup, garlic sauce, or yogurt dip on the side. It pairs perfectly. Each bite is crunchy on the outside and meltingly soft inside, full of flavor, texture, and warmth. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or an evening snack, this dish fits perfectly into any meal. And the best part? No complicated ingredients, no fancy tools, just potatoes, eggs, and a bit of creativity. Sometimes we think good food needs dozens of ingredients. But this recipe proves otherwise. With just 2 eggs and a few potatoes, you can create something so delicious that everyone at your table will ask for more. It's golden, it's crispy, it's satisfying. A dish that brings smiles with every bite. Try it once, and you'll make it again and again because it's quick, healthy, and truly heartwarming. Serve it to your family, to your guests, or just for yourself, and enjoy the moment when everyone says, "Wow, you made this with just potatoes and eggs?" That's the magic of simple cooking. Easy ingredients, endless possibilities. Soft outro line, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative dishes. Because at Tasty Food, we turn everyday ingredients into something extraordinary.